What if I told you you could block any website on any device without touching it? No parental controls, no special apps, just pure network manipulation. In this video, I'm going to show you how hackers manipulate network traffic using ARP and DNS spoofing to block websites on any device, and I'm going to demonstrate it. Because we need to identify all the devices connected to my Wi-Fi network. You can use these two nmap commands to scan the network, but I'm going to show you a different way. Instead of nmap, we'll use Bettercap, which gives us more control over network traffic. So let's open Bettercap with root permissions. In Bettercap, you can type help to see all the available commands. Now, to scan for devices on the Wi-Fi network, we first need to enable net.recon because it's required for network probing. Once that's on, we can activate net.probe to actively discover devices. Why do we enable net.probe? Because it helps us identify all the devices connected to the network. Once it's running, you can type net.show. This will display all discovered devices on the Wi-Fi network. Now let's move on to the next step. In Bettercap, there are two important commands, set and get. We'll use get to check what functions are available in dns.spoof. To list all available options, you can either press the tab key for auto-completion or type asterisk. Next, we need to set the dns.spoof.address to our IP address. This tells Bettercap where to redirect the spoofed DNS requests. To do this, we use the set command. Now, let's set the website we want to block. We will use set command again. You can also use porn sites to prank your friends by redirecting them. But for this demo, I'll use the Kali website instead. Now, let's check what options are available for ARP spoofing. We'll use the get command for this. This will display all available settings for ARP spoofing. Now let's configure it. You need to set arp.spoof.fullduplex to true because most routers require it nowadays, but I'll skip it this time. Instead, we just need to add our target's IP. You can find the target's IP by using net.show. Once you have the IP, let's move on to setting up ARP spoofing. Now let's activate DNS spoofing and ARP spoofing. With this enabled, the target's traffic will be intercepted and redirected. Now let's test it. As you can see, we can't access the Kali website. Now let's check if we can visit YouTube. By the way, if you're enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. There are even bigger hacking techniques we can explore beyond this method. For example, instead of just blocking websites, we can redirect victims to fake websites that we create, allowing us to capture login credentials, passwords, and other sensitive data. If you want to learn more, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more advanced techniques. See you in the next video.